Well, this is the lineup of the 1500 meter, and here goes the gunfire. The 1500 meter man final. It's a 3 3/4 laps and a blue ribbon event of the evening session. It's a lovely to watch the human locomotives. There is a poetry in emotion for the 1500 meter men final. This is the event I always love to watch. A very fascinating event. Number 673. Number 673, Sunil Dwar of Service Sports Control Board is leading the 1500 meter. And these athletes, they know the strength of each other. They are judging each other. They are friends and they know when to change the gear, when is the time to finishing kick. Number 669, Rahul Baloda is at 2. So at 1 still, the Sunil Dwar is leading. This is really a fascinating event for me. As in the women's 1500 meter, it was Lily Das was a favorite. But here at 2 is 661 Jagdish. But the boy at number 3, you cannot put a blanket. He is still in the race, he is still there and need to watch. Race is still not open, but the Sunil Dwar is looking relaxed, a tall running. So it is a match between Sunil Dwar, Jagdish and Rahul Baloda. 372, Nabil Shahi of Kerala. But Sunil Dwar has taken the charge. He has shown the courage. He has shown the heart. Sunil Dwar of Service Sports Control Board. And here is the change in the position of the leader. 661. Jagdish is leading the pack, followed by 673. And here goes the bell lap. It's the last 50 meter that will be the deciding. It's a very strong finisher at Sunil Dwar, Jagdish and Rahul Baloda. But at 1 is Jagdish. 661 from Haryana. 661 from Services Sports Control Board. But 673 is also coming very strong. 579. Ritesh Aure. Last 200 meters to go. Some mashups, but no challenge to 661. Jagdish leading by a big margin. This is a double the margin, big win. But you cannot throw the blanket at number 2. Still coming stronger. 418 has not giving up, but 661 Jagdish of Services Sports Control Board. 673 Sunil Dwar of big run. Good friends. Some sportsman spirit between Sunil Dwar, Jagdish, Ritesh Aure and Rahul Baloda.